Bags, an accessory that never goes out of style. So, at this place, you are going to find bags in every size, every shape, and every color. From stripes to solids to plates. This place has it all. Travel totes, work totes, some weekenders, beautiful bag options. All this is happening at Tars Gallery. It's a 2-day exhibition today and tomorrow, and they also customize their bags. So, what are you waiting for? This is the right exhibition to come to explore everything. And for more collections, swipe left. Hello.
Hi. So today we are exhibiting at Tars Gallery, and we have all kinds of bags. Let's start from kids bags. Kids collection we have. So here we have kids backpacks and solids, stripes, kids duffels. As you can see here, some boxes are here. And kids backpacks in brown, and then we have two different style options. And in kids collection, we are this time also Rakhi special giving. We have coloring totes and coloring pouches. We have coloring totes. Yeah, so you can see that we have 4 different print options you can choose from girls, boys, and along with that we are also giving colors.
Lovely.
So you get this whole combo together. And even in totes we have like 4 print options you can choose from, which adults can also use it. You can color it, go out, do whatever you want to do with it.
Yes.
So, third category, we have mini totes.
Okay.
A full range of mini totes. You can get prints and plates and solids and stripes. And we also have rope totes. Again, good with personalization.
Lovely.
And yeah, for a beach, it's very good. What we also have here is kids pencil pouches. You can use it for traveling also.
Absolutely.
Multi-purpose. And we have lunch tote. So lunch tote, it's insulated and it can fit a bottle. And we also have bottle holders. So it can go in there. Your whole lunch can go in.
Lovely.
Yes. So we also have Rakhi special hampers here. We have 6 types of hampers. They go from 500 to 2000 range, and we have, for example, this is a kids hamper. You can gift it to kids. It has a kids backpack, and it has a coloring pouch, and then pencil pouch. Now the best part is you can customize this hamper to yourself. Like if you want to change this color, be it a solid one, if you want to change this color, change this print, it's up to you. And we have like that kids, and then it's good for students. It has a tote bag, it has pencil pouch, it has pouch again. So these are all the options we have. Duffels, be it dip totes, and be it like general, like a work general work tote. Yeah, so general work tote with travel pouches.
Beautiful. Yes. So the next category.
Okay, so the next category we have a lot of different styles and designs in the travel kits. So travel kit you can use for again putting any item in, like be it your stationery, your kids stuff, your travel while you're traveling you wanna put your shaving kit or anything, makeup, anything. So we have in solid, we have in plate, we have waterproof options, and in waterproof options we have this also. So in color waterproof, and as you can see we also have travel pouches. So many travel pouches, you can get your name printed or embroidered like this.
Wow.
And in prints also.
Lovely.
So we have that, and we do also have pencil holder and organizers.
All right.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now let's look at some daily totes, daily bags. So we have some daily tote bags. They are with zipper, so you don't have to worry about your stuff getting out. They have a pocket inside, they have pocket outside, and you can also put them in your luggage. So you have a luggage sleeve.
Yes.
We have in prints, we have in solids in these options.
Lovely.
Now we do also have pickleball bags and totes. And this is a new range. These are daily tote bags. You can get them personalized with your initial and just go on your day with this and you can work from home, you can work from a cafe and just go with these.
Lovely. Look at that. So a lot of color options in them also.
So for the last category, this time we also have a 5-piece bath set. So 5-piece bath set has this toilet seat. This toilet seat के नीचे जो हम लगाते हैं,
Yeah.
this, and we have a bathroom mat. We have this one, and then this we have shower mat, and then this long that we do also have, which you can put it front of your
Bathtubs and
yeah.
bath area or the
Yeah.
wet area basically.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, now we do also have bathroom slippers. So we have this in 2 designs, and we do have it in lot many colors.
Absolutely.
You can choose from these 3 colors, and we do also have. You should visit us, visit
more
us,
colours.
and then yeah.
Right. So for more colors, you have to visit them, and along with that, they have matching slippers in all category. Lovely. Moving on to the next category.
So the next category we have the Brooklyn range.
Okay.
So Brooklyn range is very special. It has like a small bag you can carry to work, go for a brunch,
Lovely.
Anywhere. It feels formal, casual, and it has genuine leather handles and a
Okay.
good strap.
Okay.
We have this in solid as well as we have this in plain. You can see this window stripe pattern and general stripes. Okay, you have a lot of options to go from. We have this Manhattan range. So this is a size up for the Brooklyn range, but again we have a lot of options again in here. We have in stripes, solids, and then this kind of print. And what we also do is personalization.
Okay.
So you can do this kind of customization with just 200 rupees.
Wow.
Any name, any initial you want.
Lovely.
Now we do also have a lot of bags in travel category. You can we have weekenders, duffels. So let's see this duffel we have in solid option, and it is with genuine leather and with a crossbody strap, and it has a zipper inside. You can keep your stuff. You can organize all your stuff in there. Good for weekends and long trips as well.
Absolutely.
We have stripes. Normal, we have in solids as well. We have good design options, good style options. We also have this luxury weekender.
Lovely.
This is also a part of this range, and we do also have this weekender in which you can separate your shoes or other stuff from your clothes or
Yes.
Yes, so now moving on to the fourth.
Okay.
We have a lot of pouches for traveling, for kids. You can put your Lego pieces in it, your kids' Lego pieces, your kids' stationery, or all your organizing, like makeup stuff, everything can fit in this big pouch.
Lovely.
And we have the smaller version of that also.
Okay.
Smaller version, and it's
also.
in this print, or you can get in solid colors or stripes. Now we also have laptop sleeves.
Okay.
We have in print, this multicolor and this stripe, and we also have laptop sleeves. They are polyester lined, so you don't have to worry about any spills or anything.
Okay. Lovely.
We also have crystal clear pouches, so you can put all your makeup stuff in that. These are single zippered and double zippered as well.
Wow.